Supplement that claims to flush parasites, detox your gut, and restore your health in just 30 days. That's the promise behind Dear Apothecary Detoxify. But does it really remove parasites, or is it just another wellness cleanse? So the product is marketed as a three-phase parasite cleanse supplement designed to eliminate parasites, sweep toxins from the gut, and restore digestion. It contains herbal ingredients like black walnut hull, papaya seed extract, hyssop, psyllium husk, and chlorella, which are traditionally used in digestive cleanses. The company claims these botanicals can kill parasites, bind toxins, and improve gut health. There are a few reasons parasite cleanses get popular. Herbs like black walnut and papaya seed have been used in traditional medicine for digestive issues. Fiber ingredients like psyllium husk can improve bowel movements. Some users report less bloating or better digestion after using cleanse supplements, but those effects don't necessarily mean parasites were removed. Medical experts say most parasite cleanses are not scientifically proven to eliminate parasites. In fact, doctors warn these products are often unnecessary and may even disrupt healthy gut bacteria or delay proper medical treatment. Real parasitic infections usually require specific prescription medications depending on the parasite, not general herbal blends. And many people who buy parasite cleanses don't actually have parasites at all. So does Apothecary Detoxify actually remove parasites? Probably not in the way the marketing suggests. The bottom line, it's essentially a herbal digestive cleanse supplement. It may help with digestion or bloating, but there's no strong scientific evidence it can eliminate parasites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.